Welcome, guys, to the series Decode Biology, where we master NCERT one line at a time. And in this particular video section, I have taken the chapter Biodiversity and Conservation, and the page number is 221 and 220 in the latest NCERT edition. Now, before beginning to the actual NCERT line, I have a question for you. In the statement 1, it states that higher productivity leads to greater biodiversity. We already know कि plants अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं and it leads to primary productivity. और plants अगर ज़्यादा productivity करेंगे तो ज़्यादा biodiversity होगी. It is the statement 1. And the second statement is greater biodiversity if the diversity in life is very high, like we have so many species on the earth, and it will lead to higher productivity. Now, take your time and guess the right answer. So, the right answer over here is कि statement 1 गलत है और statement 2 correct है. So, the right answer is over here is B is the right answer. And now, let's understand these lines with the help of NCERT. So, on the page number 220, it is written on the first paragraph, the C point, it is written over there is कि there is more solar energy available in the tropics which contribute to higher productivity. Obviously, tropics में ज़्यादा solar energy होती है जिससे ज़्यादा productivity होती है, but it turn might contribute indirectly to greater diversity. तो statement 1 में क्या गलती थी कि यहाँ पर आपको indirectly word जोड़ना था, right? तो high productivity does not guarantee lead to the greater biodiversity. Higher productivity indirectly lead to the greater biodiversity. And to understand this, let's take an example. Here you are able to see the algal bloom. अगर वाटर बॉडीज़ में न्यूट्रिएंट ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल नाइट्रोजन, फॉस्फोरस फैक्ट्री वेस्ट से अगर आ जाता है तो वहाँ पर एल्गी की ग्रोथ बूम कर जाती है, जिस वजह से वहाँ पर फॉर्मेशन होता है किसका? एल्गल ब्लूम का. और ये एल्गल ब्लूम वहाँ की एक्वेटिक लाइफ को मार सकती है. तो यहाँ पर प्रोडक्टिविटी तो हाई हुई क्योंकि वहाँ पर एल्गी का फॉर्मेशन हुआ, बट यहाँ पर जो आपके पास में बायोडाइवर्सिटी है वो ज़रूर डिक्रीज हो गई है. एंड अनदर एग्जाम्पल इज लाइक टेरर ऑफ बंगाल, द आइकॉर्निया, राइट, water hyacinth. And on the page number 221, it is written that an experiment was done by scientist David Tillman, and he showed that increased biodiversity leads to the higher productivity. Hence, statement 2 is correct.